So for my teaching strategies worksheet, I decided to use my course as language arts, and the topic is going to be genre tasting. So learning about different book genres and things like that. Of these strategies, when it was instruction centered, I decided to use questioning. I thought that was the best one to go about, with the teacher leading the class, asking questions off of a worksheet, and students being able to answer those questions through the worksheet, with the teacher instructing them and leading them in the lesson. When it comes to the interactive, I did the peer teaching. I thought that was a great option for the students because they get to go through, learn about a couple of the genres that are available, and then once they're done and feel confident, then they become the experts in the assignment and get to teach their peers about a few of the genres. So then that way they're communicating and talking it out, and it's better for them to be talking to each other than it is just a teacher constantly lecturing and going about things for the assignment. When it comes to the individualized, the computerized instruction was the strategy I decided to go with. The individualized was probably one of the most challenging ones because I don't think I would ever want to just do something computer based. I feel like that is a credit recovery type of thing or an online course thing. And with sixth graders, I want them interacting and things like that. So this one was a little bit difficult, but I decided to have them use the Google Classroom, and I thought that was the most effective way to get the lesson done. And through the Google Classroom, everything would be turned in. Everything would be, they would be filling out worksheets online, turning them in, and of course, there's always a teacher available, but it would all be strictly through the Google Classroom, and students would work on things through there. And then the last one, I did the role playing for the genre tasting. I thought that'd be great because then the students can become experts in their genre and then go and act it out for their classmates and try to figure out which group is which. So this one would be a little bit easier to split up because I can get them into groups, silently tell them what genre they're going to be working with, and then there to come up with a scene that will help them get their point across of what genre they are for the class. And when it comes to this assignment, it's kind of helpful in the future for me in lesson planning and things like that because I know that there are different teaching strategies that I can look into per assignment, per topic, and things like that, and just keep things mixed up so we're not constantly doing the same thing over and over and over. There is the whole individualized section I will try to stay away from because in my school they do try to ask for peer interactions a lot, and the individualized section just doesn't go well with the language arts portion in my opinion. But otherwise, this assignment was very good. The objectives were at times difficult, but it all turned out very well.